Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the card dance effect in After Effects. To begin, apply the card dance effect to any layer you wish to transform into a grid of cards. You'll find it under the simulation effects. Next, define the grid by adjusting the rows and column settings, for example, 20 rows and 30 columns. Crucially, you'll need to select a gradient layer from your composition, which will act as the control map for how your cards move and transform. The magic of card dance lies in its use of gradient layers. Create a new solid or shape layer and apply a gradient, perhaps a 4-color gradient or a simple ramp. The brightness or luminance of this gradient layer dictates the effect. For instance, a pure white area in your gradient might cause cards to move significantly, while a pure black area will keep them almost static. Experiment with radial or linear gradients to see how they influence the card distribution and movement across your composition. Once your gradient layer is set, dive into the effect controls to customize card properties. You can link parameters like X, Y, or Z position, rotation, and scale to the gradient's intensity. For example, set Z position source to intensity 1 to make cards move forward or backward based on your gradient. The multiplier value, such as a value of 10, amplifies this movement, while offset allows you to shift the entire effect, perhaps moving cards by a negative 100 pixels. For advanced effects, animate the offset and multiplier properties using keyframes to create evolving motion. Consider using a fractal noise layer as your gradient source for a more organic, randomized look, perhaps with a turbulent noise effect. Precomposing your source layer allows you to place other effects or even video footage inside each card. Finally, integrate a 3-dimensional camera into your scene to add depth and perspective, making your card dance truly pop with dynamic camera movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.